Hey, we're gonna do my skincare routine today. So I got this sample. It's Biossance, so it's like a marine algae cream. So I put this on my eyes. I already washed my face. I just used the ordinary squalene cleanser. Can't even pronounce it. But I just put this under my eyes and rub it in. And then I put it up in my forehead too. It's supposed to help firm things, so. All right, and then next I do this vitamin C sample. It's the Paula's Choice. Now I did not buy this sample, the Biossance one I did. I used my points at Sephora to get some. And then with this, what I did is I got a different vitamin C that I use at the end that I really like, but I'm just gonna use this sample up. And I find it really does a nice brightening job on my eyes. But I think it's only 5% vitamin C, and the one I have is like 30%, so that's a little better. And then I use this Tula 24/7 Ultra Hydration. And it's like this triple-hydra complex day and night serum. It has these like peptides in it, and I love it. I bought like the full-size bottle. It's so nice. I really notice a massive difference, like just in the texture of my skin. Just put it everywhere. The harder you press, well, not too hard, but the more you press, the better it gets blood flow going, and that'll help your skin for sure. All right. And then I use this vitamin C 30% in silicone. It's really nice. Makes your skin feel amazing. At first it can like kind of tingle a bit, which is normal. But yeah, it's really nice, and I find it really makes your skin glow. But don't get it on your lips because it tastes weird. And if you have like an open spot on your skin, like a pimple or something, fine. If you get it in it, it can burn a bit, but I think that's why it says on it not to use on open skin or anything, clearly. So there we go. And then one of the last things I do is I like this, well, I don't even know if I really like it. I don't even know if it's even doing anything. I got a trial of it, and it's supposed to be used as a highlighter, but it can also be a primer or a serum, so I don't know what's going on with it, but I just put it on my eye. That way when I do my makeup later, hopefully everything stays. I'm not very good with primer. Pretty new to that, so I would like to figure out what a good primer is. So just put it on my eyes. And then the last thing that I do is I have this iconic, it's Prep Set Glow. Yeah, shake it. Right, cool. And look at that. Very beautiful. But yeah, so I spray this on my face. And this is weird, but. And then just kind of try and get it places. But this is supposed to kind of set your makeup. But if you do it before, I'm hoping maybe it helps keep my makeup in place, like kind of sandwich it. So yeah, so this is how I prep my face and get it ready for doing my makeup. So I'll do that next. But yeah, thank you.